Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a calendar event private in Skool. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start privating some of their events on their Skool community. But either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're first going to hop onto your Skool community, and then you're going to click on calendar. Now there's multiple ways you could actually approach doing this. So I'm just going to take one of the coaching calls that I host within my community. So we'll take this January 6th, 11 a.m. call, and then click on edit, and then we're only going to edit this event. Now the best way that I've found to actually make an event private is by using this who can attend this event. So what I'll do is that I'll actually change this to members in a course. And so with members in a course, you can see these are all our course names within our community. I would actually create a private course name and then give that access to certain members of the community. So let's say that our private course name is the Call Recordings Vault. I would make sure that certain members have access to the Call Recordings Vault so that I can make this event or calendar event specifically private for people who are a member of this community. So that is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and make an event private on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.